AlgoBars.
Welcome to AlgoBars. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to use the indicator matrix, where you can create your own custom indicators in seconds without writing a single line of code. What is the indicator matrix? The indicator matrix lets you combine existing indicators, apply trading rule-based operations, and create entirely new tools tailored to your trading style. You can basically build what the market doesn't offer. Accessing indicator matrix. You can access the indicator matrix from the command center to the right of the chart, or from the drop-down menu at the top left of the platform by accessing AlgoBuilder. If you haven't already agreed to the terms and conditions, understand them thoroughly and proceed if you'd like to continue. Then, you'll be on the AlgoBuilder platform. Here, you click the Matrix button to access the indicator matrix. If you're not subscribed to the Pro plan, you'll need to upgrade to access it. Choosing your base. Once subscribed, you can select from the indicators that already show on the indicator matrix to combine together, or drag and drop them from the menu above to combine and create totally unique custom indicators from scratch. This is your foundation. Start by selecting a base indicator. Choose from moving averages, RSI, MACD, Bollinger Bands, ATR, stochastic, or any other available indicator. The possibilities are endless. Let's start with RSI. We then select the RSI period or level. We'll select 14 by default, and then select another indicator to combine it with. Blending indicators together. You can then select a blend mode to decide how the indicators interact with one another to create a totally unique function for your strategy that is personalized to your specific strategy needs. This is a game changer in the trading world because for the first time ever, you can combine indicators together to merge them into one, which used to be next to impossible to do manually. This will transform the strategy variations you can create, ultimately bringing your most unique trading ideas to life, saving your indicator and deploying it. Once you're satisfied with your custom indicator creation, you can name it and save it. The custom indicator will then become available in the AlgoBars strategy maker to create your custom strategy with, or directly on your AlgoBars chart, where you can use it in real-time markets. You can also share your custom indicator on AlgoShare for other people to use, or explore other people's custom indicators to add to your strategy arsenal. Congratulations! You just built your own custom indicator using AlgoBars. No coding, no limits. Create tools that match exactly how you see the market. Thanks for watching.